Okay, so I want to give everyone a heads up on an experiment I'm going to try doing with my channel. So the first time I launched my channel, a couple of my videos were doing really well. They're getting over a couple 100,000 views. But now, since I relaunched my channel, not so much. And I think it's because of the thumbnails. I've had more than a few people comment that they weren't about to actually click on it because they thought it was going to be like an AI video where it's just like those voiceovers and they're real boring and crappy. And I get what they're saying. Since I relaunched my channel, I was doing all AI style thumbnails. It's just so much easier, but obviously it's not working. So what I'm going to do is relaunch the videos with what's considered like more of a traditional looking thumbnail to see if that actually makes them better. And I think this is going to be kind of a fun experiment, because for anybody out there who's thinking about doing their own YouTube channel, which I strongly suggest, it's actually a lot of fun. It is a lot of work, but yeah, it is a lot of fun. With this experiment, you can actually see what actually works and what doesn't. So when you launch your own channel, you'll see, is it okay to do an AI thumbnail, or do you have to stick with a traditional looking one? So for the next couple of weeks, I'm going to just relaunch some of the ones I already have, but let's see if they do better. But I will be coming out with some new stuff after this experiment to see what kind of thumbnails I should do. And if anyone has some suggestions of what you want to see later, let me know. I'm looking for new different ideas. I want to do some new tests, some new tool tests, build some other cheap fun things. Yeah, so just let me know any ideas you got. Until next time, see you guys later.